G'day guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to another suburban stations and trains, and today we're at Cheltenham station, a free platform station. There's some of it there. We're going to go and have a look at the station, and because this will be the first time for me to be on this station, and yeah, it's going to be quite interesting. Different surrounding areas too, like this car park here. That's where I parked my car up there. Actually liking that car park. We might just have a little bit of a look at that a little bit later on. And yeah, so far so good. The design of the station is quite interesting. Now, I'm not too sure, maybe we might have to use my MyKey ticket to actually get into the station. As I said, not 100% certain about all that, but oh, look at this. Oh, here we go, Cheltenham station. Nice. This is the main entrance of the station, and yeah, I must say, very interesting. Very nice. Just have a look over here. That's the police area. Interesting sitting area. Haven't seen anything like this anywhere before. And oh, there's a bike path along here. Oh, very nice, very nice. I know this is a quick sidestep, but just over there's the Cheltenham Cemetery. I've never done a video of a cemetery. We might do that one day, but the cemetery is just basically over there. You can probably just see it on the screen. And yeah, I like this. This is a real good setup here. Tell you what, this is going to be very interesting. See what inside the station looks like, because I already said that Cheltenham station was my favourite on this Frankston train line. So we'll see what happens. Right, our waiting room area here, and this is where we are, Cheltenham station. Got a few stations to finish off on this line. All the train services are good at the moment. Got the lifts and stairs to walk down to platforms 1, 2 and 3. We might actually catch the lift down, as we always do, not walking downstairs. Very interesting here, we've got a number of lifts. Got one lift there, there's another 2 over there, so that's That's pretty interesting. It's actually not bad, actually. I might go over to this one here. Oh, there we go. We're ready to go. Down to the platform. That train just came from Frankston and going to Werribee. And this is platform 1 at Cheltenham station. And this is the first time I've actually been on here. So what you see for me is basically first time. So this looks pretty good. Oh, hang on, we'll have to go over this side. This sounds like a diesel train. Yep, it is. Well, there you go. We've got this again. There you go, guys. So we got that one again. Another episode we got the diesel train, so we've got another one again. So anyway, getting back to what we were just talking about, platform 1. This looks pretty good. I really think it's a real good platform. Very clean. No graffiti, no rubbish, no nothing. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. See this part here, I don't mind because this has all been covered up. On a few stations, they've left that really exposed, and yeah, I particularly don't like it. But what they've done here is not bad. I can live with this part. This is quite nice. Very dark down there. So, because this is a dual platform, so we're on platforms 1 and 2 here. The other side's platform 3, but we won't go over that side because you can actually see what's over there. This is very interesting. I say that's a lot of maybe wires through here, through those pipes there maybe. But yeah, pretty awesome. And definitely liking this station. Doesn't look like there's any trains departing platform 2 today. As you can tell, no trains departing from this platform. Just platform 1 and 3. Now, what I was just saying before earlier about those pylons there. Now, I don't know why they haven't really finished doing that off. That looks a little bit ugly. It would have been better if they did cover all that. That would have been better. But anyway, I mean, they've done exactly the same thing here. So they sort of did it right down the other end, but they didn't really do it right at this end. But anyway, not to worry, can't really do much about that. But yeah, but overall, nice platforms. As I said, very clean. Got an emergency exit up there. I suppose they've got probably emergency one there, and you can walk through there. But yeah, no, it's actually quite good. But yeah. I mean, overall, the station looks pretty awesome. Yeah, it's not bad. And that train is going to Frankston. But yeah, as I said, not a bad station. I mean, just before I actually get off, hang on, we've got another train coming in, I think.
Good afternoon, customers. Your next service to depart from platform 1 will be the 116 Williamstown, stopping all stations to Williamstown via Flinders Street. Your next service to depart from platform 1 will be the 116 Williamstown, stopping all stations to Williamstown via Flinders Street. And always remember to touch on your marquee at the start of your journey.
What I was referring to is those things there. Now, I don't know why they couldn't do what they did here, cover all this up. They sort of got on, don't worry about that side, but we'll do this side. So a little bit unfinished there. Here we go, we've got another train coming in from Frankston. Lovely. So yeah, so what we'll do now is we'll go back upstairs and explore a little bit upstairs then. This is the concourse area, which we started filming when we came in, and we'll go back out. Just got to get my ticket out. Get my MyKey ticket out. I'll give you an example of how this works, guys, especially for ones from overseas. There's your my key ticket, you just sort of tap, see? No charge because I wasn't here that long. But when you tap in, these gates go. So yeah, pretty good. They're the new, I think they're the new ones coming out now, I think. So yeah, as you can tell, I don't really travel the train very often. There's your My Key system, new scanners. The main shopping centre for Cheltenham's way out there. It's actually quite close to the station. I'm liking this. This is good. But overall, I really like the station. I tell you what, I will go up and have a look at that car park while we're here, and then perhaps we'll wrap it up from there, and then give you my verdict about what I think about the station. All right, we're in the elevator at the car park, so we're going to go upstairs and have a look.
Level 2.
Oh, we're at level 2. Oh, okay. It's not actually the top of the car park, but oh, that will do, I think. But we'll see what happens. But let's have a bit of a quick look here. I should imagine the top level will be very similar. But it is level 2. It's not bad. Pretty good. Good scenery. I wouldn't say it's the best view for any steam train event, but we'll go up on the roof and have a bit of a look. And then, as I said, we'll wrap it up after that. Okay, we're now back in the lift and we're on the roof section. I finally got that right. So let's go out and have a bit of a look here. We're not going to really see a great deal here. I mean, it looks quite nice. Not many cars here. You're not going to see a great deal here, really. I actually thought it might have been a good vantage point, viewing point, but it doesn't look like that's going to be. But yeah, no. We'll just go down here and have a look. It's actually quite nice. It's like a big car park area. But yeah, I thought that might have a better view, but obviously not. No, it doesn't have a good view. So anyway, it's all good. We'll just go down here a little bit, have a bit of a look. There's Cheltenham station there. Nice looking station. And all the shops. So yeah, so what I reckon, guys, I reckon it's a great looking station, and yeah, I really like it. It's going to be definitely in the top 3 stations so far I've seen on the Frankston line. So yeah, so I'm going to push off now, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the X-Wing. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future video content, and always press like. Until next time, guys, catch ya.